We need to get your story on Brand X Talks. It's going to be phenomenal, and it's going to set you up in a way that you've never seen before. But first, we need to flip the camera. Okay, there we go. Now we need better light. All right, there we go. Now we need to add some music. All right, my voice, it needs to sound a little bit better.
Okay, there we go. Now we need you on stage sharing your story, and not just sharing your story, reliving an experience. Because that's what the best storytellers do, is they relive an experience and set your brand up on a whole new level at Brand X Talks, where we're gonna take your story and we're gonna put it all across the video to really bring everyone into the moment. Click the link below and let's take your brand to the next level at Brand X Talks.